Hey guys, I wanted to show you a quick way how to use the social planner inside of your Go High Level account. This is really powerful for many reasons. I actually use this to schedule all of our social posts going out on TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. You can add all of your accounts here, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool feature that they've added here. So without further ado, this is the way you're going to do it. So basically you're going to head over to the marketing tab here on the left hand side, and you're going to see social planner right here. So you want to make sure you're on social planner, and there's a couple of ways you can do it. So you can actually go ahead and create a new post, or you can open up your planner to see your whole month in advance, which I love to do as an entrepreneur. I love to batch produce everything for a month that's going to go out on our social channels. So what I could do here is like sort of we plan July here, and you can see there's a couple of missing days that we'll fill in with some content here. So let's say for the 24th of July we want to add a post. What I'll do is in the planner is I'll open up this plus icon, and then I'll select my social account. Now make sure your social accounts are connected in your integrations tab. If you haven't done that yet, you'll want to make sure that you have connected, Facebook, Instagram, whatever accounts you want to add. So let's go through the accounts right now. So you can see all the different accounts that you can add right through here, including Pinterest and Twitter, or now called X. All right, so you can add all those accounts there. But for right now, let's just say we're going to do a post for Facebook. And what we want to do is I'm actually going to make this a post. So we're going to do like a photo post. So I'm going to click on this little icon here, and it's giving me an option to create an image using AI or upload from the media library. I'm going to upload from the media library, but if you want to create an image using AI, you'll have to go inside of your settings and make sure that you turn on this feature to allow images using AI. It will bill you for this inside the Go High Level software, so just be aware of that. But right now I'm going to upload an image from our library. I'm going to use this testimonial, and I'm just going to double click on that. And now this is it's giving me a preview of what it's going to look like inside of Facebook, which looks good to me. And hey guys, another great testimonial, and you can obviously write your content in here. And then what we'll do is I can either save this for later or I can post this now. Okay, so what I'll do is I will save this for later. And perfect. So you can see it's inserted it into our calendar right here on the 24th. So now I know I've got a Facebook post going out at that time. Repeat the process. You can do this for Reels, Instagram. If you want to add another one on your calendar, just do this, search for another account, and away you go. Okay, so we can do the exact same post on LinkedIn, and I can take that content again, upload it from the media library, and do that. Or I can do a totally different post if I wanted on LinkedIn that day. Okay, so if you need any more help with Social Planner, let me know. Get my 14-day free trial of Go High Level in the link below, and I'll personally help you set up anything that you need with your Go High Level account. It's a powerful software that's helped me scale my business. Success, love, speed.